Hello. So today we will see how to use our mobile data on laptop through USB tethering. So to use mobile data on laptop, we often turn on the hotspot and connect to hotspot from the laptop. But sometimes we face a lot of buffering and network issues. So the solution to this problem is use the method of USB tethering to avoid the stoppage of network. So the first step is take an USB cable and connect it from phone to laptop. After connecting it, tap on other USB options and select USB tethering. After selecting USB tethering, your laptop starts identifying the network and asks you the network settings, public network, home network or work network. So public network is recommended. Now your laptop is connected to the network Wi-Fi, which is your phone's mobile data network using USB tethering. Now we will check the speed of the internet. So the mobile data internet is having speed of approximately 8 to 9 Mbps and there are very less fluctuations. Thank you.